Okay, so I've rolled out some red to place over the top. So I'll go ahead and pop it over. And then sometimes what I'll do is actually kind of bring this up a little bit to a little bit more of a point. I think that's good. All right, scissors. Now, if I wanted to put the red on first and then put this yellow around, that could be it finished, but I was going to add one more color, and so I was going to put it one more color between the two. I'm deciding whether I want to do blue or bring green into it. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of meet these up, and then I'm going to put a band of a different color right around that edge. Like I said, that's one step you could eliminate if you want. If you want to go have it be a little bit more simple, then just put the red on first and then put the yellow around it. Okay. So now I just need to decide on blue or green. So I'm going to get both of those and then decide. Okay, decided to go with blue, so I'm just going to take some fondant and roll it into a corn. So I don't have anything on the surface here, no cornstarch, just start to roll it. You can use the fondant paddle and start from one end and kind of roll down. And sometimes I'll go the opposite way. Okay, so just cut that end off there. Let's see, water. Bring it a little closer. So just take a little bit of water, not too much. And we're going to go all the way around. Okay, so see right there in that seam is what I want to cover. So, not sure if this will go all the way around. I might have to piece it. Actually, I'll start back here. Oops. Hopefully I didn't just get blue on the yellow. If I did, then I'll show you how to clean it up. Okay, cut it off here. And then let me come back and make sure this gets on there. All right, now here what I like to do is usually cut these at an angle, a little bit at an angle, and then this one so that they fit together nicely. So put a little water in there and then bring those two together. And then just kind of check it out, make sure that there's no gaps.